Hi there, my name's Josh and I'm going to be showing you around this brand new Honda vehicle. This is Honda's first all-electric SUV model. It's the NY1. Your exterior is finished in this Aqua Topaz. You'll get zero emissions as well as a range of 256 miles. Rapid charging capabilities can take you as far as 80% in up to 45 minutes. Your very stylish exterior is complete with a rear spoiler as well as rear privacy glass. The vehicle does also come with a 5-year service plan. Your charge is very conveniently located at the front of the vehicle. This makes it easier to access at charge ports. The NY1 offers great visibility with front LED headlights as well as rear LED headlights. 18-inch black cut alloys really complement the style of the vehicle nicely. The boot of the NY1 is very spacious and well lit. Storage won't be an issue for you. It's also where you'll find both chargers. Your interior is wonderfully spacious and luxurious with a black leather upholstery. You'll also be able to spot your interior ambient lighting that gives a really nice mood to the vehicle. You've got ISO fixed points available in the rear seats as well as rear storage on the back of your front seats. Passengers in the rear can also make use of this drop-down black leather armrest that's complete with 2 cup holders. For extra passenger comfort, you get rear ventilation with 2 USB ports and a small storage compartment. Access to the front interior is easy thanks to keyless entry. Your seats are electronically adjustable. You've got a multifunction steering wheel on offer. Your left side houses volume and channel control, as well as the ability to toggle information on your digital driver's cockpit here. You can see you've got a wide variety of options to choose from. You can access information about your vehicle's current mileage as well. You can also display your radio and nav settings. Your right side houses your speed limiter as well as cruise control feature. You've got this very large 3-split touchscreen that's packed with features. Connect is where you'll find all your stored devices for Bluetooth connectivity. You've got a great nav system with a search station feature, so there's no need to be worrying about your mileage as you'll always be able to find a charge station. The centre of the screen houses various pieces of information you can access, such as your EV menu. You can set things such as an optimal charge limit setting in there. Your trip computer can be accessed. You've also got your host of general settings. This is where you can opt to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The vehicle comes equipped with all the latest in Honda sensing technology, which you can access from this menu here. If you simply press the driver assist system menu, you'll be treated to your active cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation and blind spot warning information. You've got DAB radio to give you a whole host of channels, and you can even take it a step further by customising the speakers and your sound system. Climate control is completely controlled by this touchscreen here. It's very streamlined and easy to use. You've also got heated seats with 3 different settings for you to choose from. This is going to be a great feature for you in those winter months. Front and rear heating is controlled by these 2 easy to access buttons here. Underneath your screen you've got a wireless charging port, great for those who are on the go, as well as a USB port and 12-volt socket. Your gearbox is really easy to use and provides a smooth drive. Underneath it you'll find a drive mode select as well as your electric handbrake and cup holders. You do also get this private storage compartment for personal use. The SOS button does add an extra layer of safety to the vehicle. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, feel free to call us on 01204 827 913.